Today we're taking this 60s, 70s ride. We're going to take it from a suspended headliner to a one-piece headliner the easy way. No stress, no fighting with bows, fast and simple. Okay, let's get right into it. All right, the first thing you want to do is clean everything up. So I got this 1/8 inch, what is this? Yeah, 1/8 inch, 3/16 inch thick. Yeah, this is 3/16, 4x8 sheet. You see I measured from the widest point right there to the back, side to side, and I just screwed it in with little tiny screws. Maybe half inch to 3/8 thick. Some of them got self-drilling tip on there. So right there's one. I'm gonna put one right there. So this is gonna be your baseboard, because you're gonna use this with a staple to this, but it all makes sense in the further steps. So the first thing you want to do is get everything, get that old suspended headliner out of there. Then you come to the widest point you can. If you come down too wide, you see the head. If you drill there, you see the headliner. You won't have any head space. So I came right to where, right before it curve. See there, right before it curve. I followed this curve in the front. The same thing, right before it curve. That way you're gonna give you the most head space, and then right in the back. Okay, I'm gonna finish screwing this up. Then after I do that, we're gonna go to the next step. All right, now that's screwed in tight. It ain't going nowhere. It's bolted in. Then what you wanna do, go to your local upholstery supply store and you get a waterproof door panel board. So what you do before you screw the 3/8 board up, you want to trace this exactly the same size. And this is where your material is going to go. And then you see you're going to put staples around there. But I'm going to show you, got to first put the material down. You want to sew a little border. You're gonna pull it tight, the same way how this suspended is, but it's gonna look more cleaner and more modern. And you see, this is very simple. And you see, to put up that board took me a few minutes. What I did, just cut it out, cut the shape out, screw it up real quick, trace this and cut it out. So we on the end in a few minutes already, and everything's looking good. And then this is gonna be what we're doing. It's one big sheet of material. We're gonna pull it on the sides and glue, but I'll show you that. All right, so the next step, you wanna find your center, which I already did. So now I gotta find my center on the material. And I gotta find where I wanna put this, because I don't want it, the dome light, I don't want that right there. So maybe the dome light is right there somewhere. So I'm gonna go in and find the center. With that, all you gotta do is fold it. Fold it here and cut a little notch both sides, then we'll draw a line. So let me do that and I'll be back in a minute. Okay, so this is not glue I'm spraying. It's called contact cement. You have to spray it on both pieces and let it dry a few minutes. Then after that, you can put it together and it'll stick. Okay, so right here I'm about to make my chalk line. So what I'm doing is marking about a 1/2 inch to maybe 3/4 inches away from the edge. So I'm just making little dots, and after that I'm gonna connect the dots. So I'm pretty much making a consistent chalk line all the way around. So next, after I get my chalk line, I'm gonna just put a stitch on top of it. So what you're doing is pretty much giving yourself a little lip to staple to once you put the headliner back in the car. But just keep watching, it all makes sense soon. All right, so this is what I'm gonna do so I can hold it into place before I staple it. So I'm gonna glue it all around here. That way, you know, if I had another person, somebody could hold it while I staple it. But since it's just me, I'm gonna try to do contact cement on both sides, so hopefully that'll hold it into place. And I can kind of line it up myself. If not, I'm gonna have to get a helper, but so I'm gonna glue that. Then I'm gonna come around here. I'm gonna put heavy glue there and kind of sandwich them together. I'll be back in a minute. Okay, so now we got it up. We're gonna come around right here, put staples in there all around. Then after the staples, I'm gonna show you the next step. All around here. See, this is our old board right there. See, the old board is screwed up, so that ain't coming down. So you staple the light board all around. All around. We're gonna ride it with staples. I'm gonna see what size we're gonna use. All right, I'll be back in a minute. All right, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna come here and wipe glue all the way around. Where I show you the trimmer, glue's gonna go there. Wipe glue all the way around there and in the front. Then we just pull it tight like we do with the suspended headliner. I was just about to start gluing, but did a trim. Trimmed it all the way around, a little bit bigger than what I needed. So now when I glue it, yeah, it's gonna look real nice. All right, I'll be back in a minute. All right, I got my glue. I'm about to brush it all the way around. And I'm gonna brush it on the material also. So let me get started. I gotta make sure I don't put too much. I don't want it to drip down on the seats. Okay, so I put the glue all over and right here. Just pull it. All this extra we're gonna cut later. All right, check out the finished product. Of course, it's gonna be trim on those edges. It's gonna be trim in the front. But other than that, it looks beautiful. You know, it's definitely very easy